Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can import list of inventory in QuickBooks Desktop, so let's get started. First, open QuickBooks Desktop and go to the File menu in the top left corner. From the drop-down, select Utilities, then choose Import and click on Excel Files. A new window will appear. Next, select the Advanced Import option. This feature allows you to map your Excel columns to the appropriate QuickBooks fields. Click on Browse to locate your Excel file that contains the inventory list, and then click Open. After that, choose the worksheet from your Excel file that you want to import. Click on the Mapping button, and when prompted, select Yes. In the Map Data window, carefully map the columns from your Excel file to the corresponding QuickBooks fields. Be sure to match key fields such as item name, description, quantity, cost, and sales price. Once everything is mapped correctly, click Save, then select Import. Your inventory list will now be successfully imported into QuickBooks Desktop. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.